What if you did a 1-minute plank every day? Planking is a simple exercise that anyone can do. You just support your body weight on your forearms and toes, keeping your body straight like a plank. It may seem easy, but it's quite effective in working many muscles, from your abs to your butt. In this video, I'll explain the results of doing a daily 1-minute plank. So, stay tuned and watch the video to find out more. Let's get started! Plank technique. Let's talk about how to do a plank properly. There are many different ways to do it, but we'll focus on the classic one. To start, get into a position similar to a push-up. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and rest your weight on your forearms. Your body should make a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your tummy muscles and keep your head and neck relaxed. Your hands can be straight out in front of you or crossed. Make sure your elbows are right under your shoulders so you don't strain your shoulders unnecessarily. Your lower back should be neither rounded nor arched. It should be straight. Keep your legs straight and tense so the workout targets your abs, not your lower back. Remember to breathe slowly and steadily as you hold the position. This will help you do the exercise correctly. Benefits of plank. Why is doing plank every day really good for your body? First, it makes your core muscles stronger. These muscles help support your internal organs, maintain good posture, and prevent lower back injuries. Planking engages all the major core muscle groups at once, including the transverse muscle of the abdomen, helps with lifting heavy stuff, the rectus abdominis muscle, good for jumping and getting a six-pack, and the oblique muscles, useful for bending and twisting. Plus, it gives your buttocks a nice shape. Second, it's great for your back muscles. Planking strengthens your core without putting extra stress on your back and hips. This not only helps your lower body but also reduces the risk of back pain. Third, planking speeds up your metabolism. It burns more calories than regular ab exercises like crunches. Just 10 minutes of planking a day can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories even while you sleep. Fourth, it improves your posture. Strong core muscles have a big impact on the condition of your neck, shoulders, upper and lower back, keeping them in the right position and enhancing your posture. Fifth, it enhances your balance. If you struggle to stand on one leg for more than a few seconds, your abdominal muscles may need some work. Planking can help improve your sense of balance, which is useful in various sports. Sixth, it increases your flexibility. Planking stretches the muscles and ligaments around your shoulders, shoulder blades, collarbones, hips, and even your toes. It also works your obliques in the side plank position. Enhanced flexibility in your whole body provides extra benefits for other exercises and daily activities. Finally, planking can improve your mental state. It has a calming effect on your nerves and helps strengthen muscles that deal with stress. After a long day at the office, it can help alleviate tension, improve your mood, and positively impact your nervous system. How long should you do a plank? Well, it really depends on you and your body. The key is to do it for as long as you feel comfortable. If you're just starting out, aim for around 15 to 30 seconds. The important thing is to avoid pushing yourself too hard and sacrificing proper technique. A Canadian study found that doing one really long plank isn't as effective as doing several shorter ones. So, trying to set a record for the longest plank might not be the best thing for your health. By the way, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. There are links on the screen. See you soon!